Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we are reacting to Who Wanted to Be a Cat. Yeah, I've always wanted to be a cat. Really naughty one. Possibly. Wakey wakey! Now you can with Cat Simulator. I'm actually going to play this. Read a book. Happy birthday! That was really funny. Let's see some of the comments. Oh yeah, so we're not really. Okay, it's almost done. So I'll play it as soon as this is uploaded. And this isn't permanently gonna be an Eevee Gamer short. So bye guys! Yeah. I can't remember my outro. Ow. You guys' day was Eevee failed. I don't know what's wrong with my voice today. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!